Hi, I'm Nikki Sizemore here in the Fine Cooking Test Kitchen. In this episode, we harvest oysters from the frigid waters of Morro Bay. I know that shucking oysters at home can seem intimidating, but I'm gonna break down the process for you, and it's a great way to impress your friends. First, you're going to need an oyster knife. Don't try to use a paring knife like I did when I was 18 because you will break your knife. So I'm gonna take my oyster and I'm gonna place it on my kitchen towel belly side down, and that's gonna make sure I don't drip out all of that liquor in the oyster. Fold my towel over the oyster. Oyster knife, you're gonna insert it into the hinge, and then you use this twisting and prying motion, and you're looking for the sweet spot where the oyster is gonna pop open. Once the oyster popped, continue working the oyster knife to disconnect the oyster from the muscle that connects it to the top shell. Now lift this up and inspect it. Give it a smell. Smells nice and clean. It should smell like the ocean. If it's funky smelling, get rid of it. One last thing we gotta do is disconnect the oyster from the bottom shell. So you just sever it. You wanna be able to see it kind of swish around. I'm Nikki Sizemore. For more tips and recipes, go to finecooking.tv.